Miss.
Good afternoon, Miss Monica.
Okay, today we are going to do evaluation. So I will ask from the LP that you have made for this week. We start from Pictionary first. Here, Pictionary English.
Okay.
Okay. What are cans?
Cans is a container is made from metal, and cans the function is for actually I give the example for them. Cans is for to keep food and drinks inside. So for example, like canned food, canned
Can is
drinks.
singular. So cans, it means that more than one, right?
Yes.
Cans are. Okay. So it is like, can is like what?
Cans is like a metal.
Can is like
A metal container that is for food and drinks. So for example, like canned food and canned drinks like that.
Can we open that by using our hand?
Sorry, Miss?
Can we open that by using our hand?
Oh no, I tell to them. Sorry, I forget. I tell to them that if you want to open the can, you have to open by using opener because that is from metal, right? It's hard for us to open the can by using our hands like that.
It will hurt our hand.
Yes,
Don't you
sure.
say that? You say that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Carton, what is that, Miss?
Carton is there is a thick paper is made for box. So for example, like you want to keep a thing like toy or eggs, you want to keep that is in safe, so you can keep inside the box. You can keep inside the carton. I mean that the box is made from carton. That one.
Clock.
Clock is a tool that tell us about time. So in the clock, we can find numbers start from number 1 until 12, and that is the long and short arrow. And then, for example, like the clock tell us about the time, like when you have lunch, when you have take a bath, when you have take a nap, something like that.
Coconut.
Coconut is a kind of fruit that has a hard, what is that? Hard surface, and then the color is brown. But inside,
Is it only brown?
no, I mean if we open the skin, yeah, and we inside the coconut they have brown, and inside again there is there's water that we can drink the water, and then use for example like you can drink coconut on the beach.
I mean, you can emphasize them that the coconut skin is not only
Brown,
but they are
green,
green, right? Except if they are already ripe, masak, the color will be brown.
Because in that picture we showed
Green.
to them that no miss, only the already
The-
the hard one is
Oh, I see. Okay. Compass.
Compass is a tool for us to help us to know about direction. For example, like you go to forest or you
How
have
many direction
like
you put
north,
here?
north,
North.
south, west, and one more is east. That one. So
How can it help us? How can we see?
we can see from the compass you that one has the what is that, the initial like W, E, S, and like that. Then if you have adventure in the jungle, so you want to go to what is that?
I mean, how can yes, they have. I mean, the compass. There is a U and then S, right? I mean, how can we know that we are on the north area? We are on the north, on the south area. How can we see?
How can we see the compass? We can put the compass on our what is that? This one.
Palm or
yes,
palm
for our
of our hand?
or we can put on the ground that
Okay.
one, so we can see the the arrow. Where is the arrow go there? It means that one is our direction. That one is.
Okay. So the answer is supposed to be it has a needle to show that.
Yeah.
You didn't say that. I need that one.
Oh, sorry,
Because you put
miss.
that here, right? Okay then. A computer, what is it, miss?
Computer is a machine that help us for working and playing game. For working, it means, for example, like your daddy use it for his work, and for playing game, it means you play a game in the computer. That one is.
So what can makes it different with laptop? Did you explain?
Yes, sure. If computer only in one place, but if laptop, you can bring it. That one is.
So don't you explain also to them that why can we bring the laptop while the computer cannot?
Oh yeah, sure. I said to them that because the computer we should connect it. We should connect it to electricity because there is the cable that we should connect it like CPU. You have to we have to connect it. But if computer, we just bring because already inside that one.
Okay. Cow?
Cow is a big animal that has black, white, and sometimes brown skin, brown skin, and then they can reproduce milk. And for example, like that milk that you can usually drink, and then you usually find cow in a field or farm. That one.
Did you explain that the animal is included to herbivore like that? No?
No, I think they
Too far, yeah.
Yes,
Explanation.
they are still kindergarten.
Yeah. Okay then. Okay, for us, CPK little steps. What did you review? Because I see here that there is a reviewing.
Review speaking.
Yes.
Oh, okay, Miss. We still studied about what different kinds of clothes that we wear.
Clothes.
Yeah, clothes that we wear. So the first one is we talk about the story, and that story is still about what are the teddy bears wearing, and then the answer is the bears are wearing green scarf and wig, and then what about the girls? What are the girls are wearing? The girls are wearing dress and skirt, and then what are the boys and girls are wearing? The boys are wearing blue tie.
So how many teddy bear actually in
Teddy
the
bear?
video?
Four.
Four.
In the story.
So how about the boy and the girl?
The boys are wearing blue tie, and the girls are wearing a green scarf. And then after the story, we have all kinds of clothes that we wear, like pants, sweater, and then what's that? Shirt or t-shirt like that. Then the next another page there is about what is that? Pairs.
Pairs.
What kinds of pairs, right?
Like shoe?
Like shoes, like socks. I explained about the pairs.
How did you explain that, Miss?
I show to them about the pairs and then tell to them the definition of pairs first. So pairs is two things, okay, that they are together.
Combined together.
Combined together. Like for
We
example,
cannot
like,
only use one. Did you say that?
yeah, sure. Because they are the simple one is they are couple, right? So like for example, like shoes, you cannot put on only one shoe. Socks and then gloves, and there's gloves only that is.
Okay. So how did you explain about the
The weather.
clothes that they use or that they wear when it is rain?
Yeah,
How
sure.
did you explain?
Because after the pair, we have the different weather there. Of course, if different weather, we should wear or put on different clothes, right? It's impossible if the weather is what is that? Hot like sunny.
So how did
Of
you
course,
explain?
it is hot.
Based on the weather,
So,
how did you explain?
So when what do you wear when it is raining? I said to them, and then the answer is when the rain comes, we will wear the sweater or raincoat. And then if the weather is sunny,
How many weather actually did you explain? Only
There
two?
are five.
Five?
Five or four, about 4 and 5 like one.
What are they?
Sunny,
Sunny,
cloudy,
cloudy,
rainy,
rainy,
windy,
windy.
yes, windy and snowy.
Snowy. Okay.
Yes, that one.
So,
But we just
so how
focus
about the
on,
clothes?
yeah,
The
we just
clothes.
focus on sunny and rainy because
Mm.
as we know that our country is that
We
one,
have
right?
only two
Miss?
seasons.
2 season only.
So you just explain two of them only.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now we move to rainbow science. What are living things?
All living things that things can move and need water. They need water and air. They grow up like that. But in this week we talk about grow up, means grow, how
Grow
to,
up.
yeah, grow, because last week we talk about what they need, like water, air, something like that, miss.
Okay, how many example did you give for the living things? Can
The
you
living
give them?
things.
Can,
The
can you
living
give
things,
me?
yes, sure.
Mm.
There are three, like people. People include like us, mommy, daddy, you, and then animal like parrot, like bird, shark, and then dog, like that, miss. And then the last one is plant, like apple tree, like rose flower, like that, miss.
For non-living things, how many examples did you give?
Non-living things.
Is it only in the class? Okay, find out in the class, no?
Yeah. So they can see directly, right, miss? Like if living things, they cannot move. So,
If
for
living
example,
things,
sorry, non-living things. Sorry, miss.
non-living,
Sorry.
yeah.
Non-living things. For example, like table, like chair that you are sitting there, and then that you seeing in front, looking in front, that there is touch board and this laptop.
Did you
They
say
are-
that it can be moved, but by
But
our
yeah, by
help?
people,
If
like
we
that.
if we move that like that, did you?
Yes, sure.
Okay. So did you ask them to practice it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
I tell to them to, if the non-living things move without help, without us, how can is that? Because they cannot move by without us, without helping
Yes.
us.
They cannot move by themselves.
Yeah, themselves. I mean, like that.
It must be somebody to move
Move
that
it.
like that, right? Okay, somebody or something. Can be animal, move that chair or what, like that. Okay, so did you explain about this one? The living things need to stay alive.
Yeah, sure.
So how
Need
did
to
you
stay
explain
alive.
this?
So, if the living thing needs to stay alive, they need water, they need air. That one is.
Okay,
They need food also.
they need food.
Yes.
All right. Okay, for ISP Bahasa and ISP Science ya,
Science.
bahasa ya. ISP Bahasa and Science. Oke, topiknya ini sama ya, Miss?
Ya, rekreasi.
Rekreasi. Bagaimana Miss menjelaskan di minggu ini? Karena kan ada review ya.
Iya, benar, Miss.
Coba, Miss.
Sebenarnya semua title, semua judulnya itu sama tentang rekreasi, tapi bedanya itu kalau di ASP Bahasa itu lebih ke kata, gitu. Kata. Terutama untuk suku kata awalnya dia, Miss. Kemudian kalau di ASP Science, dia lebih ke bagian-bagian dari alat rekreasi itu, gitu. Jadi kalau di ASP Bahasa itu gambarnya itu sama, Miss, mengenai alat-alat rekreasi dan kendaraannya, gitu kan. Jadi seperti contohnya di ASP Bahasa itu ada
Jadi yang kalian pelajari kendaraan-kendaraan itu di mana itu? Bahasa atau sains?
di kendaraan itu ke sains, Miss. Detailnya lebih ke sains, ya.
Tapi kok di sini bahasa?
Di bahasa itu sekilas saja, Miss, dia. Karena gini, di bahasa Indonesia itu ada, tapi lebih ke suku kata awalnya dia, Miss. Ke suku katanya, ke katanya.
Berarti
katanya.
LP-nya ini
Kayak-
salah gitu?
Bukan, Miss. Dia lebih ada kendaraan, tapi dua-duanya dia ada kendaraan, tapi dia kalau di bahasa lebih ke kata. Kalau dia di sains itu bagian-bagian dari kendaraan tersebut. Jadi contohnya gini, Miss. Di bahasa itu ada pesawat. Di di ASP Sains juga ada pesawat. Tapi bedanya kalau di ASP Bahasa itu lebih menonjolkan yang PEP-nya. Nah, suku kata awalnya itu pesawat, cara baca mereka juga gitu kan. Kalau di ASP Sains itu dia lebih ke yang mana kendaraan yang paling besar itu dia. Kemudian kalau yang di ASP Bahasa itu dia memasangkan dia suku kata awalnya yang mana yang sama gitu kan. Contohnya kayak seperti sepeda, sepeda dengan sepatu kan sama SE. Lebih ke situnya, Miss.
Kalau di ASP Bahasa.
Kalau
Sedangkan ASP Sains?
Di ASP Sains itu lebih ke bagian-bagian transportasinya. Contohnya itu mobil, bagian-bagian mobil itu ada apa aja. Kemudian mana kendaraan yang paling kecil, mana kendaraan yang paling besar, lebih ke itu, Miss.
Oke, bagaimana Miss menjelaskan tentang kendaraan di darat, di laut, udara? Ada nggak Miss jelaskan?
Ada.
Coba.
Miss, saya menjelaskan jenis kendaraan. Jadi awalnya itu bukannya kita masih belajar rekreasi. Seperti yang kalian tahu, rekreasi itu pergi jalan-jalan, bertamasya, liburan gitu kan. Kalau kamu mau pergi ke sesuatu tempat, kamu perginya menggunakan apa? Apakah jalan kaki? Mereka jawab, enggak Miss, capek, gini jauh. Pasti. Jadi kendaraan apa yang biasanya kalian gunakan ketika Anda pergi rekreasi? Paling simpel mereka pasti jawab mobil, karena kan mereka sering pakai mobil, motor mereka gitu. Kemudian yang untuk jarak paling jauh, gimana cara kita pergi ke sananya? Pesawat. Seperti itu, Miss.
Oke. Now we move to Pictionary Bahasa. Apa itu sapi, Miss?
Sapi adalah hewan besar yang memiliki warna hitam, putih, coklat, dan mereka menghasilkan susu. Contohnya, biasanya kamu temukan sapi itu di peternakan dan kamu bisa meminum susu sapi.
Kompas?
Kompas itu adalah alat yang membantu kita untuk mengetahui arah. Contohnya seperti kamu sedang tersesat di suatu hutan dalam berpetualangan, kamu ingin mengetahui arah yang mana yang benar gitu, Miss. Kamu menggunakan kompas. Gitu.
Biasanya siapa yang menggunakan ini?
Para pendaki, Miss.
Para pendaki ya?
Iya.
Kelapa?
Kelapa adalah buah yang permukaannya keras dan berwarna coklat, kemudian di dalamnya ada air yang mana biasanya kalian minum contohnya ketika kamu berada di pantai. Kursi adalah tempat duduk yang mempunyai 4 kaki yang biasanya kalian gunakan untuk kamu duduk. Contohnya seperti kalian sedang duduk gitu.
Oke.
Karton adalah kertas tebal yang dibuat untuk kotak, di mana contohnya biasanya kalian gunakan karton itu untuk di dalamnya kalian bisa memasukkan barang, mainan atau telur supaya benda itu tidak rusak gitu, Mas.
Contohnya kok beda?
Gimana, Mas?
Bayangkan menonton kartun tentang hewan yang bisa berbicara.
Miss,
dan
itu sebenarnya gini, Miss, sebenarnya di gambarnya itu karton, isinya itu telur, tapi bahasa Indonesia itu kartun gitu dia, Miss. Jadi karton, yang saya tahu karton dan kartun itu bedanya, kalau dia karton itu benda atau kertas gitu kan, kalau dia kartun itu gambar.
Jadi
contohnya beda. Jadi sebenarnya
ya memang ini dari kemarin saya lihat penjelasannya kartun dan saya baru lihat kan udah diubah.
Benar.
Tapi di contohnya kenapa nggak diubah?
sorry Miss.
Kenapa nggak diubah, Miss?
Sorry, Miss.
Jadi apa dia? Apa namanya? Lari. Jadi bagaimana nih?
Nanti saya ubah itu.
Ya, coba
setelah
diedit ya,
ini,
Miss ya. Kaleng.
Kaleng adalah wadah atau tempat untuk menyimpan makanan atau minuman yang terbuat dari logam. Dan kamu membukanya tidak dengan tangan tapi dengan alat pembuka. Contohnya itu minuman kaleng, makanan kaleng, seperti itu.
Okay. Alright, I think enough for the evaluation for today, Miss. I have asked from the Dictionary English and Bahasa, CPK Little Steps, Rainbow Science, Rainbow Science, and then ISP Bahasa, ISP Science, ya. Okay, I just want to give an input that before discussing the dictionary or copy the dictionary from the application, make sure that it is same. Like just now, cartoon. It was it was different, right? Yeah. And then when you edit, please make sure that you can edit for the example also. Because like just now example is different, right, with the definition. Yeah. I think that's all only for next week. I hope that we don't find like this anymore for the dictionary. Yeah, because for the dictionary English, you just translate to dictionary Bahasa, right? Actually, they are the same, right? Same like chair in English and then in Bahasa, kursi, just same, right? But I found just now one of them is different, was different. So I think for the next week, no more like this.
Okay,
Miss. I think that's all in this evaluation. You pass, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.